Let me show you this super easy lemon mousse recipe. It is the perfect summer dessert recipe when you need something refreshing and delicious. It is creamy yet wonderfully light, making it perfect for a light dessert after a heavy meal when you still crave something sweet. To make this delicious lemon mousse, start by adding half a cup of lemon juice to a saucepan. Then add 2/3 cup of granulated sugar to the saucepan. Next, pour in 1/3 cup of water into the saucepan. After that, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to the saucepan. Using a whisk, give all the ingredients a good mix until everything is well combined and no lumps remain. Next, add a small pinch of turmeric to the mixture and give it another good mix. The turmeric will give your lemon mousse a beautiful yellow color without changing the taste. Next, put the saucepan on the stove and keep mixing it on low heat. Just keep stirring until the mixture gets thick, as you can see it happening in the video here. Keep whisking until it looks like pudding and thickens up nicely, just like this. Next, pour the mixture into a bowl and put plastic wrap on top. I like to push the wrap right onto the lemon mixture, not just over the top of the bowl, but actually touching the mixture itself. Make sure the plastic wrap covers the entire surface. This keeps the skin from forming as it cools. Put the bowl in the fridge for about 15 minutes to cool it completely. Now, add cold heavy cream or whipping cream in the bowl. Use about 1 cup of cream, which is 250 grams. With an electric mixer, whip the cream until it forms stiff peaks. This usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes, depending on how cold your cream is. Make sure not to overwhip it, or it will start turning into butter. Now, take the cooled down lemon mixture and carefully remove the plastic wrap. Then give it a good mix so there would not be any lumps. Next, add all the lemon mixture to the whipped cream and mix it with the electric mixer, but just a little bit. We do not want to overwhip it. Just run the mixer for about 10 to 15 seconds on low speed until everything is combined and you get a nice light yellow color throughout. Cut the corner of the plastic bag and pipe the mixture into your serving glasses. This makes it look much nicer than just spooning it in. Fill each glass about 3/4 full, so there is room for toppings like whipped cream or fresh berries. You could also add some lemon zest or mint leaves on top to make it look nice. This lemon mousse is incredibly light and creamy with the perfect balance of tanginess. The fresh lemon flavor really shines through without being too sweet, making it a refreshing treat that feels indulgent but not heavy. If you liked this refreshing lemon dessert, then check out also this light and creamy coffee cake. It is the easiest dessert I have ever made. Just like this lemon mousse, it takes very little time to prepare, but tastes like you spent hours in the kitchen. Check it out now.